Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to know if someone like you, someone is doing match with you in Tinder. So if you go to the application of Tinder here, you know if someone like you, but you need to pay the Tinder Gold here. You need to pay the Tinder Premium. But if you use the application, if you you know you do interactive with the application of Tinder, and maybe in some cases they give it to you like a card, some test for proof for test that option of how you can know if someone is doing match with you. They give it to you a test of that premium option. But this is the only way you can doing that use that option without pay the Tinder Gold. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow for more content like this.